I've been in this business for over 30 years in some form, fit, or fashion around real estate. I've never seen a system as comprehensive and as defined as Meld.
The automation that comes with the troubleshooting through Property Meld has had a tremendous impact on us. Our work orders are coming in much clearer than they ever have. So our technicians know exactly what needs to happen, what tools they need to take, what the work is going to look like.
You look at all the other guys on the market that are in the maintenance space. Are they really created for what we're trying to accomplish, which is controlling tax, controlling scheduling, controlling profits? It's not. This is built for nothing but us as maintenance people.
Initially, prior to Property Meld, we were trying to handle the requests that were coming in, not really forward thinking. We were being more reactive rather than proactive. The tools that Property Meld has given us have allowed us to kind of take a more proactive approach to things and say, we have our daily intake of maintenance requests. We have that dialed in. Now we can start looking forward and saying, where can we increase revenue in different aspects of our department? Where are we being inefficient? And Property Meld, luckily, again, with the Insights Pro, will point that out, and it'll be glaring. If we are failing in a certain aspect, the system will let us know that, and then we can kind of dial it in and take the necessary steps internally.
Our property management teams no longer have to go searching for answers regarding the status of a work order. So they're able to get residents answers faster, and actually we have fewer residents even asking questions because they're getting those automatic updates.
For a person who's looking at it and saying, is it worth the cost? I'm going to tell you instantly it's worth the cost, right? Just from organizing the chaos of what you're doing currently, on top of it, having the scheduling for the techs, the accountability for the techs, and the accountability Meld by Meld per tech.
But the data that we're able to pull in Meld helps us really look at our efficiency and our effectiveness so much better, because we're able to get more accurate readings on how long it's taking us to complete service requests. We're also getting those resident satisfaction scores through Insights, which I love, because we're able to narrow that down by our technicians to see how our technicians are doing on an individual basis, but then also how they're doing on a variety of work order categories. So I may know that technician A is doing amazing at electrical, maybe he's not doing so great at plumbing. So we want to make sure that we're assigning him all of those service requests that are electrical versus another area that he's not as strong in. So it's really helping us dig into that efficiency and effectiveness better than what we were able to obtain from our property management software.
We know where everything is, right? We know where the tech is, we know where the tech hours are, we know what the Meld was about. We can then figure those things out, pull them from the insights and from the reporting that's in Meld. So we really went from nothing to everything in one lump in less than 90 days. So it's been fantastic for us.
The move to Property Meld has been phenomenal. I can't thank the team enough, really. And again, the support with Property Meld is incredible.